Hello everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Vic, Texas. Welcome to my city backyard, where I was about 2 weeks ago, showing you the snow under freezing temperature. Remember, the girls having snowball fights, building a snowman? All gone. Today, it is over 80 degrees. No kidding. It's hot. I just see wearing a t-shirt, and I'm hot. I'm standing in the shade. That's Texas. And you don't know whether we're gonna get another cold spell. You never know, so it's wiser not to plant outside yet and start your seeds inside and wait probably until mid-March. But honestly, today it looks really good. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to just do a little walk around to show you the damages we've had from the snow and the freeze. It was pretty cold for us here in Greater Houston area. It went down to -6 Celsius. How much is it in Fahrenheit? I don't know, just in the low 20s. It got down. So we have a few things that we had to cut. So let me turn the camera around and show you the backyard. And let's start here with my raised beds. So these ones I still have to clean. I had actually a green pepper that was still growing, and that's pretty much gone. That's the eggplant. All this needs to be clean. But on that side, as you can see here, I still have some strawberries, and strawberries can take some cold, so it's doing beautiful. And here I have my lemon balm. I was expecting it to be completely gone and dead, and it's not. That thing is surviving like weeds, literally. It's doing pretty good. Look at that. It's not perfect. I'm probably gonna clean it, harvest some, and just start fresh maybe for the this spring, because it's part of the herbal survival challenge. And in the back, I had forgotten that I had a red beet. Whew. Yeah, it got not too good, but it actually survived. Look at that. It's growing back. So not bad at all. I'm gonna get some fresh leaves, and yes, look at that. Not bad, huh? Lemon balm, not bad. But yes, it does have to be cleaned, so we're gonna clean that one up. But other than that, we actually did cut a few things, so it's very bare right now. My goji berries, they stayed outside. They can take some cold. They're okay. My other goji here is okay as well. No more little gojis, but that's normal. So here, that tree here is peach, so I'm hoping it comes back. Right? We cut a few branches here and there, but that should come back. So all good here. That one here is an apricot tree, which I hope will come back. We will see. Here my apples are doing good, so I have 4 of them. That one is one that I have planted. I have 2 that are still in pots that I need to plant. Another one right there that's growing good. That is one of my pecans, doing good as well. The pecans can take quite a bit of cold. But yeah, if you notice here, something's gone. Looks very empty, very empty. All these are the banana trees, or were the banana trees. So once again, we cut. We have to do it every year, but they grow back. I don't know if they're already starting growing back given the temperatures. I don't see anything yet, but they will. It will come back. It's just wait for them to grow, and then no banana that year. Is that no, that's just a leaf. That's just a leaf. So no banana, just a leaf. But yeah, so that's one side of the pool. Over there, let me show you my citruses. So these are doing really good because I took them back inside. So that's one of them. And here they're all flowering. Given they spent 2 weeks in the warm house, they think it's spring. And I actually saw look at that. We have bees actually pollinating. I was ready to do self-pollination, but the bees are there, so I'm letting the bees do their job. We have actually quite a few here, so that's good. I have grapefruit, 2 grapefruits, 3 grapefruits. This one does not have flowers, but I think it's kind of my fault on that one because I left, that's the one that had the big hanging watermelon, and I think it drained all the energy out of the tree. So I did not have any flower yet, but look at this, it's coming. So but yeah, look at that. I mean, the bees are right there. Can you see that one? Oh, actually, I need to step back. I need to let the bees do their job. It smells wonderful. So this one here is a mandarin. Yeah, another bee. Oh man, they're all over the place. This is amazing. And that's the city backyard. Wow, I have like 5 or yeah, I don't want to get bitten, so I'm gonna step away. But yeah, you can see all my flower trees. The bees are very active, so hopefully we'll get some grapefruits, clementine. Here, these 2 are lemon trees, so flowering as well, so hopefully we get lemon trees. But yeah, all doing really good. On that side is some plants I kind of saved as well, taking back inside. This one, I don't know if it's gonna come back. It is, oh, what's the name? One of these Asian orange tree. I kept, yes, the native persimmon, sweet native persimmon. So we'll see. I've had them for 2 years. I took them back inside with the cold front. Hopefully it came back last year. It did come back. It looks pretty good. I think it's coming back. But yeah, we have a mix here of pecans. All these here are citrus trees. I actually started from seed, and all of them have the same. Look at these. I mean, they are very like aggressive, defensive, you know. Look at these. I think they're just not happy. I don't know. That's all I see. Peaks and it's very sharp. So yeah, over there I have a pineapple doing good as well. It's a bit of a mess here. I need to clean up. Strawberry here, that one got messed up with the dogs, but it's coming back. And yes, native persimmon. We'll see. We will see. It should come back. Even it was inside, it should come back. It was very dry inside, so we didn't like it too much. But yeah, that's a quick update. City backyard. Very happy about the pollination here and all the bees going around my citrus trees. That's very good sign. I kept them in pots. I'm gonna water them. But yeah, they're doing wonderful. I just hope we're not gonna have another cold spell and I won't have to carry all these pots back in the house. Because I have to be honest, it's quite a bit of work, not just carrying, setting them up, but then cleaning after all these trees. The girls were complaining we had some little bugs around and so on, so they're much better outside. They're happier, we're happier. Hopefully we won't get any more cold spell and we'll be good for the season. Next step here is going to be starting the seeds inside, and I have a new buy. I'm going to have to unpack, set up and show you because I'm trying something new for the stackable planters. I'm doing a bit of a change here from Dollar Tree. So let's see how this works this year. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you did, as always, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and share with the world. Thank you all for watching. Happy growing!